Hey guys, I'm Bree, and today I'm going to show you how to make mushroom stew in Minecraft. So first, you are going to have to find an area with mushrooms. It can be found in swamps, caves, dark woods, basically anywhere where there's a limited light source, at least at some point, and this is where mushrooms will spawn. As you can see right here, I have plenty of brown mushrooms, so I'm going to go ahead and just collect a bunch of those. So you might think, oh, well, if I go over to a mushroom, will it drop any red mushrooms? And the answer is yes, it's not going to all the time. Basically, we are getting a ton of mushrooms. So next, what you are going to do is go over to a tree and get some wood. And we are now going to go ahead and place that, and we are going to make some wooden planks because we have to make a bowl. So we have our wood for the bowl, and you just put it in the pattern like that because it kind of looks like a bowl. So it's just 3 planks, and you get 4 bowls from those planks. So now what you're gonna do is go ahead and put the bowl here and mushrooms here. And now we have some mushroom stew. And you can make as much of this as you want to. This is a lot of mushroom stew. I don't think anybody needs that much mushroom stew. Next time you find a mushroom forest, make sure you make some mushroom stew. I hope that this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye, guys!